Have lechon. Yuri have lechon. We want to see the lechon. Abrilo, abrilo. Ay, dentro. Tanggalan ng kuandong, tanggalan ng papel. Sa baba, tanggalin mo yung yan, tanggalin mo yan.
Here so that we can have a photo for Ariana. Please come over. Bigyan pa ng para sa photo for Ariana. Usog mo nga si Ariana.
When you go back to USA, Yuri, go back to US this month or no? Smile. Smile. Huy. Para kang kiti-kiti.
Nagagawa ng mga program, especially for the birthday, for the 18th birthday, 21st birthday, and also for Ariana's 7th birthday. Ito yung mga awaiting entourage.
I'll be here 6 months for work. Wow, so long. 6 months, so you are there in, I think, 1 month already, right? I think 1 month already, right?
Okay? May we call on the first one that Ariana will give the roses. Mati. Cairo.
What?
Cairo.
No, I mean, you are there in 6 months, right? Then the weather is too hot. It's no problem.
Okay. Cairo.
About the weather.
Casa de arresto con Ariana. Tiene que bailar con Ariana. ¿Cuántos años ya amiga con Ariana?
Since birth. Since birth. Look, here's the visitors.
Music, please.
Ay, ito. It is beautiful. Yes, she is beautiful.